Hi, so welcome back. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different in this vlog. Instead of just focusing solely on skincare, which is the primary focus of my channel, I wanted to give you just an exclusive tour of my New York City apartment. So if you don't know, I do live in New York City. I live specifically in Brooklyn. New York City has 5 boroughs that make up the entire city. One is Brooklyn, where I live. I live in downtown Brooklyn, where all the happening, new, modern, hipsters are congregating. And there's also Staten Island, the Bronx, Queens, and Manhattan. Manhattan's pretty much what people think of when they think of New York City. But yeah, I live in downtown Brooklyn. I live in this building, a 1-bedroom plus den, 1-bath apartment. My apartment is very close to the Brooklyn Bridge, so I could definitely just walk into Manhattan fairly quickly, within 30 minutes if I wanted to. I don't tend to do that. I tend to stay within downtown Brooklyn because it has pretty much everything I need. But because I am moving in like a few days, I'm moving outside of New York City, going down south, and I'll let you know exactly where in a future vlog. I wanted to just give you a tour. You've probably seen this apartment before in just the background of my regular vlogs, but I really wanted to show you just my entire 754 square foot 1-bedroom New York City apartment. So if you're ready, get your tea, get your popcorn, get your snacks, get everything that you need to accompany me through the hallways, through the bedrooms, through the rooms, so I can show you exactly what it's like to live in this building in downtown Brooklyn, New York City, New York. Okay, maybe I'll just do like a vlog style so you can just follow me around. So from the beginning, we have the front room, which is, here's the front door. We have this front den. It is a windowless room. This is where I do all of my vlogging, editing, video production on that computer right there. At my desk, I also do my writing and my editing. Yeah, this is basically my office where I do everything. You can see that I have this huge computer monitor, but I also have my MacBook laptop connected to it. That's really my computer. The monitor helps a lot whenever I'm filming, or not filming videos, but editing filmed videos, as well as doing writing, like intensive writing or editing. So yeah, this is usually, I have my what is this called? Humidifier on right now because it's winter. It's almost January. It's probably January by the time this video goes up, but I'm just trying to make sure that I have ambient humidity for skincare. I really like this chair in the corner. I haven't used it a lot, but usually I'll sit there if I want to take a break. I have my old movie and TV posters up, Vertigo, Alfred Hitchcock, as well as I Love Lucy. I'm in this windowless room, which I love because the majority of my day is spent at a computer and I don't want to have windows coming in, emanating or penetrating that UVA. Even though I do wear sunscreen, I want to make sure that I'm doing everything I can to protect myself from that UVA and from the sun, but I'm still wearing tinted mineral sunscreen to protect from the blue light, as well as when I go in and out of this room. So in addition to the office, I also have in this closet right here, this is the in-unit washer and dryer. So a lot of apartments in New York City, especially older buildings, they tend to have washer and dryers all in the same room and everybody has to go and use a community washer dryer. Very fortunate that this apartment has in-suite or in-unit washer and dryer, which has been very handy. There's a mirror in the hallway where I can just see myself and look at myself if I want to during the day. Okay, so we exit the office and we go into this mini hallway right here, and this enters the kitchen and the living room. But what we have here is the pantry. It is a fairly shallow pantry in terms of the shelving units, but there's a lot of shelves, so you can definitely store a lot of food. I have all of my healthy snacks here. We're moving in just a few days, so we're trying to pare down, so there's not a ton in the kitchen right now, but you get the idea. And then from the hallway, the office is behind me, front door right there, we walk into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen right here. This is a pretty spacious kitchen. We have an island with a lot of counter space. The thing that I really like about this counter is the huge, deep and wide sink. The only thing I don't like about it is that in New York, there are really no garbage disposals. There's all my tea and coffee. There's the coffee maker and the coffee grinder and the tea kettle, and nice big stove with about, I think, five burners, and then the oven, of course. Plenty of storage space, plenty of drawers, plenty of cabinets, the microwave, you get the idea. The refrigerator is quite large, quite wide. The refrigerator is on top with all of our, I mean, basically there's nothing in the refrigerator right now just because, again, moving in just a few days, so we have to make sure that we use up everything that we can. The freezer is well stocked with the frozen daily harvest foods, but also, you know, still trying to pare down. We have to make our own ice here in New York in this apartment. Future apartment will have an ice maker in the refrigerator, so that's gonna be nice. So yeah, that is the kitchen. Cooked many a meals in here. You've actually probably seen that kitchen in a lot of the background of my videos and my vlogs, because I make sure that this lighting is just really good. I really prefer the lighting from the kitchen, but hopefully the new place will also have very good lighting, because I don't really like the look of, what is it called? The ring light. It's not really my favorite. Okay, so before we go into the living room, kitchen is right here. You turn and we have a little hallway nook right here with 3 different doors, and you have to sort of choose which door you want to go into. But that's the bedroom, that's the bathroom, and this is just a closet. This closet has just basic storage, like with shoes and coats. And now we enter the bathroom. The bathroom I really like because it is very spacious for a New York City apartment, again. It has a very, very spacious shower, as you can see. I was kind of, I don't know, not taken to this shower design just because I feel like I was gonna get cold during the shower because it lets a lot of air in, but it actually hasn't been too bad. It definitely builds up some heat and some humidity, so yeah, I like it pretty good. And here are the 2 double sinks with the mirror, as you can see. But in the mirror you have all of the all of the skincare items. I had actually a lot more than this, but I had to, again, pare down and get rid of the things I wasn't using. But we have all of the sunscreens. I have things on the shelf organized by tinted mineral sunscreens, as well as combination sunscreens and chemical sunscreens. So I have everything sort of organized right here. I have moisturizers and booster moisturizer serums on this shelf, and then I have just a few serums on this bottom shelf right here. Okay, so that's the bathroom, and we exit this little nook right here and we go into the dining room / living room. So here is the dining area. We have a nice round table right by the kitchen, the breakfast bar in the kitchen, with nice breakfast bar seats. What do you call them? Stools? Oh my gosh. I make everything more complicated by saying longer descriptions for something that has just one word: stool versus breakfast bar chairs. Anyway, dining room area, space, and across from the dining room we have the Peloton. I keep saying dining room, but it's really the dining space. We have the Peloton just sitting there. I've been using it more frequently lately, so I've been getting back onto my fitness game. And then from the dining room, we have the living room. The living room is definitely spacious. There's plenty of room for this sectional, obviously, because it's here, but I've been very happy with this living room. It has a nice view of the buildings if you're into that sort of thing. And there's been plenty of space. I've had a party of 4 in this space right here just watching a movie, but this is where the TV is, and we have just a nice console. I think got that made on Etsy from a couple in Pennsylvania, I believe, or maybe New Jersey. I think it was Pennsylvania. But yeah, nice spacious living room. I love this rug from, I can't remember where this rug came from. I think it was, I can't remember. I think it was Crate & Barrel, but I'll have to double check for you. Yeah, again, the views are nice. You can see the Panda Express down below. I don't know, I've never been taken aback 100% by tall, long buildings or tall, big buildings. I think some people like that view and think it's amazing, but and if you do, more power to you. But I think nature views and trees and things like that is definitely more beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to the new place because there's definitely going to be a lot more nature that we can see from the windows. So I'm very, very happy and excited about that. Okay, so exiting the living room, we go into the bedroom. There's the bed, obviously queen size bed with room to spare. Nightstands on both sides. This is the dresser, which has 6 drawers. I think this is from, I want to say Article. I think that's the company that we got this from. Or no, this is from Room and Board. So actually picked this out in the store in the Manhattan location. Really like the quality of Room and Board. Have a nice full length mirror, which I use every single day, multiple times a day to make sure everything's looking good in terms of my outfit and everything. I really like the, in the entrance, I put this seat right here that I use usually to just put clothes on, dirty clothes on, because I'm too lazy to put it in the hamper apparently. Have my artwork up here. Yeah, I really like the bed. Nice and comfy, nice and comfortable. The rug is from, I think it's Crate and Barrel as well. And the view from this bedroom is also very, very nice. You have the buildings. And here is the closet. This is a walk-in closet, technically, because you can walk in. I have a bunch of clothes in here, so it's hard to even really open the door. But have some storage on top. Have all my suitcases on the bottom. I'm gonna be filling up those suitcases with all of these clothes so we can move them. And here is the hamper. I usually just put the dirty hamper in here, and it's worked out just fine. But yeah, nice spacious closet. And I think that's the tour. Did I leave anything out? So we have the Peloton, living room, dining area, kitchen. What am I leaving out? So I think that's about it. I think I filmed a lot of B-roll footage for this video, so I think I filmed a lot more than I needed. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope it was fun for you. I'm trying to get a good angle here. You know what I really need? I need a, what is it called? A tripod, like a handheld tripod. The only problem is my other tripod broke in the camera and I can't get the like swivel thing out. So I'm going to figure out a solution for that, I suppose. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. If you like this vlog, please hit the like button down below. Again, I will see you in a future vlog where I will show, well, my voice cracked. Well, I will show you the new place and the new location, the geographic location. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So anyway, I'm gonna go and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. If you like this video, again, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, share it with your friends if you are inclined to do so, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.